Hello family and friends. Today I'm going to show you another way to make ganache. And this is really easy. It's 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of chocolate. Now I've heated my cream to just before boiling. Now what I want to do is I'm going to put a plate over top and I'm going to let it just sit for about 2 minutes. And the heat from the cream is going to soften and melt the chocolate. And I'll show you what we do next. So it's been 2 minutes. I'm going to take the lid off, start stirring to incorporate the chocolate and the milk. And in fact, I like this better than using the cocoa powder. I like the flavor of this better. You can pour this over top of brownies. Dip your donuts in it. So you can see how smooth and creamy. Isn't that beautiful? And it is just that simple. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So until next time, make it a gorgeous day every day.